National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for western Marshall County, southeastern Stark County, northern Peoria County, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Brimfield, or 14 miles northwest of Peoria, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Princeville around 8:05 p.m. Dunlap and Edelstein around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lincoln and Sparland. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 80.